Hi April, this is me Lisa. I just wanted to show you the book that I've been working on about what we were talking about, our spellbinders, and we needed a storage for it. So I pretty much copied the YouTube video that I saw, well, let me show you. So I just added the strip of magnets, and I'm telling you the hot glue was a pain in the butt. Anyway, added the strip, and I put the dies on there. But on this side, what I did was, instead of gluing this down because it was giving me problems, I ended up taping it. And when I taped it, I thought then I could turn it into a folder. So now this is like a little pocket right here. And then whenever I make a card, and while I have the Cuttlebug out, I go ahead and cut out some extra cutouts since it's already out. And then those extras can just go in here, and that way, whenever I want to make a card but I don't want to be in a rush, I can just always come to the little booklet and find what I already have out. So they came out pretty good. I did purchase some dies from people, and so if it wasn't one that I purchased and I had the whole card, if it was just a piece, then I went ahead and taped it on the side so I could still have the pocket. So here's what it looks like, and I literally just dropped the book a minute ago, but the dies didn't fall out, they just kind of landed all crazy. So I mean, it's very durable, they're not falling out, but let's see. I mean, they're pretty good in there. And these are just the chipboard that we ordered. And I need to order more because I literally, used up, 14 pieces. Okay, this one I bought from somebody, and it didn't come with a card, so I didn't add a pocket or anything. But my plan is to print out something off the internet and make a pocket, because I really like how it shows, all the detail. Because if I just stare at this, I probably wouldn't get as good of an idea as if I look at this. And of course, I love the pockets. Seriously, I'm so excited about the pockets. Yeah, that's kind of crazy, but anyways. So that's my little video. I just wanted to say hi and show you what I was doing. So I guess I'll talk to you later. Oh wait. The little binder clips. This is what I was talking about. I got mine at an office supply store. So, and they're pretty big, and I like them. I mean, it's this compared to the big, bulky plastic things. I'd rather use this. So, I'll let you know if I like it. After all, I'll use it a while, and then you can decide if you want to make your own. But I'll let you go. Bye.